Hey guys. Anyways, today, pupunta tayo sa coffee shop in Alabang area. Gusto ko puntahan. I just want you to be part of this mini adventure.
Morning light is shining bright, start the day is feeling right. Cup of coffee in my hand, ready for the day I stand. Brew it strong and take a sip, feeling good with every drip. No agenda, just be free, this is how it's meant to be. Wake up slow with morning glow. Coffee magic starts the show. Sip by sip, the world's anew.
Ay, tanungin mo ako ng mga question. Dahil naka 1,000 subs na tayo, tapos nabawasan ulit. Saan ko ngayon? To celebrate yung 1,000 subs. Pero dahil yun, nabawasan ulit. So before yung mga questions, right? Di ba nag-work tayo for 8-9 hours? Hanap kayo ng outlet nyo kung you need for stress. Kahit ano, if you want to play games, if you want to go outside your house, mag-travel, mag-dagat, do whatever you want to do. So hindi nakastock yung life mo sa 8 to 9 hours ng work life. Okay, let's go to the question. Question number 1.
If you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why?
Oh,
It's a historical figure.
I would choose Hirap. Vincent Van.
Why?
Medyo na-intrigue ako dun sa story niya. Hindi, syempre alam naman natin na kinap niya yung years. Pero na-intrigue ako kasi mentally, ano pala siya, unstable. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pero alam ko mentally unstable si Vincent Van Gogh. The series of his life, of disappointment, dinaanan niya. Sabi ko, ginamit niya yung art as an outlet para i-release yung stress. I don't know his full story. Siguro magdi-dinner kami kay Diwata. Bedong. Siguro sa single origin.
If you could live in any fictional universe, where would it be?
Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Dahil lang may universe.
Hindi, gusto ko talaga, I'm a fan of Marvel. Ayun lang. Yung, I mean, ako sila, hindi yung parang alam mo sa universe na nag-exist ng Captain America. I mean,
Anong Earth daw?
Earth 2006. Kaya, di ko alam. Basta, yun nag-exist sila. Yun. Guys, congrats nga pala kasi 1K na tayo kahapon.
Ngayon?
900.
If you had to listen to one song for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Wow. Fly me to the moon. Pinakinggan natin sa garden. Say sample guys. Fly me to the
Well, okay. Do you have a dream vacation destination that you haven't visited yet?
Any European country, gusto ko. Pero dahil nanonood ako ng vlogs ni Gio ngayon, Alam niyo naman ako Palawan. Gusto ko ng Palawan. So, El Nido Coron. Na parang na-fascinate ako sa ganito. Di ba?
Tomorrow.
Palawan. Pag Philippines or Batanes.
Next, what's the strangest or funniest dream you've ever had? Strangest or
Strangest.
funniest?
Okay. So, I had this dream when I was, I think elementary pa ako. Napento ko na to sa'yo eh. Ito yung in-OA, sabi ko. So, set up siya ng household na ako. Tapos may laruan doon sa cabinet, loob na cabinet.
Ay, baka yung nakakatakot yun.
Ngayon, kapag nabitawan ko yung ulo nung laruan, mapuputol yung ulo ni Daddy. Ang funny, di ba? Hindi talaga. Tandang-tanda ako sa ghost kasi magising ko, natatakot ako. Parang ang weird kasi kakailangan ko siyang hawakan. Kasi kung saglit ko lang siyang mabitawan, matatanggal yung ulo ng tatay ko. So, elementary ako.
Weird. If you could time travel, would you go to the past or the future?
I'd go to the future. So, because you have to always look forward. Sabi yun ni Walt Disney.
Okay. What's your go-to comfort food when you're feeling down?
When I'm feeling down, I really love ribeye steak. Plastic! Bumubuo lang image sa ang weird, alam mo ang weird ko eh. Kasi yung question, go to food kapag feeling stressed.
Oh, ano yun? Feeling down, yeah.
Di ba? Kasi ngayon, di ba pag uwi ko, pag after work, yun yung pinaka feeling stress mo eh, di ba? Siguro lahat naman tayo, di ba? Ako, ang go-to food ko lagi is fried rice na may dalawang hotdog tas isang itlog. Yun siya.
Nice yun.
Yun siya, oo.
Gets good.
Tapos manonood ako ng Friends.
Yeah.
Yun yung pinaka-perfect na ano. Yung parang alam mo
Hindi yung
yun.
ribeye steak.
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi pa ako nakakain. Ay, oo, nakain ako sa ATC dun sa food court.
Hindi yun. Joshua. Nag-farmery ka.
Partner ko.
Ito. What's a hobby you've always wanted to try but haven't done?
Gusto ko siya, hiking. Gusto ko sana siyang gawin kaso wala akong energy pa or time na ang weird no kasi ang bata pa natin no pero parang we're always saying na we don't have time for this or
Kasi nandun ka sa age na parang ano yun, di ba?
yeah. Kaya nga, alam niyo guys, may bagong saying ngayon na 30s daw is the new 20. Diba? Kasi yung 20s...
May nataon ka na?
I'm 25. My birthday is on October 18, 1999.
Uy! Ano yun?
98. So, munta 96 na ako. Wala. Parang set base talaga natin yung 30s, di ba? Hindi natin alam kung anong mangyayari tomorrow. So, dami kong sagot pero for the question, it's mountain.
Okay, next. If you could have any animal as a pet, regardless of practicality, what would it be? Alam mo yung sagot?
Golden Retriever.
Yeah.
Kasi I love Golden Retriever. At papangalanan ko siyang Hanyo.
What's one movie you can watch over and over without getting bored?
Without getting bored.
Movie
Conjuring. Conjuring 1.
Weird talaga.
Sobrang ganda ng Conjuring 1 kasi sinet niya yung place sa Conjuring universe kasi feel ko mag-a-agree kayo sa akin dito but I really love watching Conjuring over and over again.
Ito next. If money wasn't a concern, what would be your dream job?
Yung dream. Pilot?
Ay,
Diba?
specific. Ito, do you believe in fate or coincidence?
I believe in fate.
Coincidence.
I believe in fate. Lahat ng nangyayari because may reason kung bakit bakit.
What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done?
Singapore ako.
Adventurous.
Nag-Singapore tayong dalawa. Na tayong dalawa lang. Oo. Grabe, sobrang saya nun.
Adventure yun lalo kapag kung ikaw yung nagnanavigate.
Guys, ako, mahilig talaga ako mag-navigate sa totoo. Meron akong app ng mga travel
Na hindi mo
Singapore.
inopen.
I have my own SIM card, diba? At Wi-Fi.
Okay, next.
Most what?
Meaningful gift
Yes, I ever.
ever received.
Diba? Ano siya eh, meron akong gustong, kasi nilig ako sa music. Tapos meron akong gustong headphones sa isang Japanese brand shop ba yun?
Hindi.
Korean. Chinese. Chinese ba yun? Kasi
Hindi rin
kung rin
China
Japanese
lang.
lang. Kasi wala, gusto ko lang siya eh. Na-receive ko yung headphones na yun. Hindi yun AirPods. Hindi yun something. Pero sobrang meaningful sa akin. Kasi yun yung gusto ko. At wala ako nun eh. Tapos nagulat ako kasi sobrang unexpected ko pa siya nakuha.
If you could only eat one type of cuisine for the rest of your life, what would it be?
Chop suey. Guys, vegan ako. Kaya kami natawa kanina sa ribeye, di ba? Kasi... Sige, minimum. Hotdog at itlog.
Di ba, very healthy. Hindi ko sino dyan. What's one thing you think everyone should experience at least once in their life?
Love. Love to experience love.
What's your favorite way to spend a rainy day?
First of all, I hate rainy day kapag may pasok. Kasi ang hassle niya, lalo sa mga tulad natin nagko-commute guys. Ang hassle niya. So I hate rainy day kapag working day. Pero kung off ko, siguro, ang gusto ko is nakahiga lang, kumakain ng spam, nanonood ng Friends.
Ito, next.
Nung high school kami, may mga kaibigan akong lalaki.
Kapanto mo ba?
So, yung school kasi namin is a national high school. So, simula national high school, may 7-Eleven na malapit sa akin. Naglalakad kami doon hanggang doon sa 7-Eleven na yun. Ngayon, pag nandun na kami, bibili kami ng Marties, lahat ng chicharin. Tapos pati soft drinks. So imagine, after school, magsispend time kami, kakain kami doon. Walang alcoholic drink. Magkikwentuhan lang kami doon. Tapos maglalaro kami ng mga table games. So meron kaming bear sa isa naming friend. Hindi ko na rin siya papangalan. Pero hello ka. Siya din nangyari. Nag-bear kami na iinumin niya yung nasa baso. So, payag siya kasi baso eh. Wala kain na ano. Pero hindi na alam na kailangan namin duraan yung baso na yon. Tapos sa aluan ng soft drinks. Pero dahil may money bet, ginawa niya yun there. No.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Go to karaoke song. Siguro Zakta Bundo songs. Sample.
No.
Okay, final question.
What's a fictional character you relate to the most?
Si Chandler. Sa totoo lang. Yun talaga yung sa Friends. I am really fan of Friends. I am watching Friends 24/7. Pagkakain ako. Alam niyo yun. Yun yung go-to
Ako
series
yun eh.
ko.
24/7 ikaw yun.
And Chandler. Actually kami dalawa ni Venom. Chandler is one of my, hindi one eh, siya talaga yung gusto kong character doon sa Friends. It is because yung character development. Diba? Yung parang from something na easy-go-lucky. Pero may may good job ah. Alam mo yun, parang may good work and position si Chandler ng age niya sa 20s. Tapos, galing siya sa series of disappointment sa relationship na hindi niya in-expect sa sarili niya na he is ready to enter to a commitment. Tapos nakilala niya, hindi lang kung sino-sino. It is Monica Geller. Si Monica, si Chandler, perfect fit. Doon sila yung tatay. So guys, thank you so much sa mga nag-subscribe. Katulad na sinabi ko, 1K tayo kahapon, 995 na lang ngayon. So go, go, go! Yun lang. So thank you for watching. See you next time.
Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real.